Okay, Greens Plumbing, camera inspection, 4-inch main. There is a clean out. This would be the southeast side of the house, I believe. Anyhow, there's a clean out front corner of the house. We're at Janie's house, 5745 Wilhelmina in Woodland Hills, going from a 4-inch clean out. Okay. Okay, 4-inch clean out in the bush. We've made one pass with the Hydrojet. Okay, that green hose is my Hydrojet. So first drop down in, see it's an ABS clean out, plastic clean out. Within the first joint, you can see right there, top left, we have roots at the connection. Okay, and the connection is 4-inch ABS to 4-inch clay. Roots right there. Okay. Very next connection, right around this bend. See another section of roots right there. Okay. And a little bit of separation of pipe, so essentially a broken pipe there. But the majority of the problem was right here when I first started. It pretty much cleared as soon as I got past there. So then we're going towards the street now. There's all 4-inch clay. Again, that green hose is my Hydrojet hose. All these joints seem to look pretty good. All the way out, it's about a 100-foot run until we get to the street. Joint looks good. These joints look pretty good. Okay, right here, this is a branch, or a Y here. Looks like a branch line. Might just be a closed off Y, I haven't tested that. Okay, next couple of joints drop down real deep. Okay, and I believe we're at the 6-inch. Okay. That's going to put us into the city. So there you are. Good and clean. I'm just going to work that last spot up near the house. Rest of the main line looks pretty good shape. And that's it. Thank you.